Who sent my Omega into chains?
What the hell is that? You really don't know when to stop digging. You followed me? No. I caught an employee stealing classified material. You've been reassigned. North Atlantic? You knew before tonight. This wasn't a transfer. I was being moved.
Don't make this harder.
You already did. This place isn't real.
It exists enough to bury people.
Careful, sweetheart. Those files matter more than you do. Yeah, I noticed.
Promotion list just dropped.
Not you. Again.
Guess no scent, no value still stands.
I covered your backlog for 3 weeks. Then be grateful you still work here.
Congrats, you got promoted to dust.
What the hell is that? You really don't know when to stop digging. You followed me? No. I caught an employee stealing classified material. That file was in my assignment bin.
And nobody's gonna believe you.
You set me up.
Send medical, full scan.
Get your hands off me!
Then stop fighting like you're guilty.
You already wrote the story.
Wow, this is humiliating.
Baseline pheromone scan. Stay still.
I didn't consent.
Your employment contract did. No detectable alpha-omega response.
So he's still basically nothing.
Not even a real omega.
You should have stayed invisible.
Funny. That used to be your favorite thing about me. Wait, what is that?
Glitch.
He saw it.
Are we done humiliating him?
You've been reassigned.
North Atlantic?
Debt offset. Immediate transfer.
I'm not signing that.
You're not being asked.
What the hell are you putting in me?
Travel stabilizer.
Cute name for kidnapping.
NDA, risk waiver, asset relocation compliance. I'm not an asset. In this room, terminology isn't up for debate. Sign it, Noah. You keep saying my name like you still earned it.
If he refuses, mark involuntary compliant.
Where are you sending me?
Somewhere off the map.
Then start acting like this keeps me alive. You knew before tonight. This wasn't a transfer. I was being moved.
Don't make this harder.
You already did. This place isn't real.
It exists enough to bury people.
That's not possible.
Rule 1, don't ask what it is.
It has a face.
Rule 2, don't call it a person.
What did you do to him?
Officially, nothing exists here.
The world doesn't know mermaids are real.
You just said.
I said nothing. And so will you.
Employee Noah Vale. Baseline anomaly confirmed.
I'm not your employee anymore, apparently.
That depends on whether you remain useful.
So that thing in the tank is why I'm here.
TISA-1 neural current just spiked.
Good. Prepare the frequency contact trial.
You don't get to use me like bait!
You lost that argument when you signed.
Bring him to the edge.
No! I can't swim!
Heart rate rising. Resonance building.
Proceed.
I'm a person!
Then survive like one.
You know I'll drown.
Just react. That's all they need.
And if I die?
Then he doesn't match.
God, you really are all monsters.
Noah!
T01 vitals surging. Zoom in.
Pull him out!
No! Wait.
Mine.
What?
Who sent my Omega into chains?
He spoke.
You're... what?
Sedation pulse. Now!
You touched what is mine.
I'm not anyone's anything.
No. You are Noah.
You know my name?
I know you're tied.
Deploy neural restraints. Full suppression.
Put me down!
If I let go, they drown you again.
Get him away from Noah!
He marked him.
He lives with me now.
This isn't a standard mate mark.
What did he do to me?
Not just to you.
We're linked.
Reciprocal resonance. Full bind pattern.
Level Omega lockdown.
Royal?
Subject T01 identified as Thalor. Royal Alpha Class.
Thalor.
Remove it. With what? Prayer?
Purge?
If royal assets can't be reclaimed, the station is erased.
You'd kill everyone here?
Everyone here signed that risk.
Can't!
His O2 is dropping.
He's too far from Thalor.
No.
Can't breathe!
He stabilizes near the tank.
That's insane.
We can isolate you and force adaptation.
You first. Try adapting without air.
Standard suppressors failed. Triple dose did nothing.
So my body picked a sea monster. Great.
Don't encourage it.
It?
He's using instinct. Not love. Not choice.
You don't get to lecture me about choice.
Everything I did was to keep you alive.
Then why do I only breathe near him?
Noah.
He said my name.
Come closer. No more pain.
Why me?
Because I knew you before I woke.
What is this? I can breathe. Thalor. Thalor! That wasn't a dream. My dad.
Noah, open the door.
Go away.
If you keep syncing with him, there'll be consequences.
I already saw one.
Station purged in 27 hours.
They're sealing non-essential sectors.
So I'm non-essential again?
You're essential to the wrong people.
Then I need a different key.
For what?
He worked here.
Your father?
Either he built part of this place, or died trying to bury it.
This is not the first purge.
What happened?
He's talking to me.
Step away from the restricted wing.
Did you know my father worked Deep Blue? So that's a yes. If my father was part of this station, he left something behind. He really worked here.
You've got maybe 2 minutes before the system flags this.
You lied to me, Dad.
Or he was hiding something bigger.
He filed to shut it down.
How many times?
Not once, not twice. Over and over.
If containment depends on live extraction, then containment is abuse.
Oh my God.
If the board refuses suspension, I'll destroy the data myself.
You tried to stop them.
You weren't supposed to find this room.
He has a right to know.
Knowing gets people buried here.
So did my father know too much?
Wait, there's a hidden note.
Why would he write that about me?
Because whatever he hid, it was you.
Caleb, open it!
You want the truth? Fine.
Start with why you sold me out.
I didn't sell you out.
You dragged me onto a scan table and shipped me under sedation.
I cut ties because they were watching you.
So you ran.
I stayed alive.
At my expense.
The second your file got flagged, I was told to back off or lose everything.
And you picked everything.
I picked survival.
No. You picked yourself. Like always.
Then look.
They tracked me this long?
Before I met you.
And you knew?
Enough to know you were marked.
By who?
Salone. Deep Blue. People above her, too. I can still protect you.
Protection isn't control. You never learned the difference.
They're changing your classification. Container.
As of now, Noah Vile is no longer staff.
Say it to my face.
Abnormal pairing vessel.
So I went from useless to useful the second a monster wanted me.
He's not a vessel. He's a singular resonance host.
Thank you for the semantic adjustment.
You can classify a file, not a person.
Civil language is a luxury of the uninformed.
This your promotion?
Medical will isolate, map, and replicate his tidal response pattern.
Replicate? On human subjects?
On future compatibility models.
You mean you want to manufacture omegas?
We refuse to remain dependent on a single accident.
I'm not your blueprint.
He heard enough.
Continue the meeting.
He's loose.
Good.
Noah!
I'm okay. No, that's a lie. I'm not okay. Open it! Open the damn door! Who's there? You could have warned me.
You would have argued.
You're bleeding.
Not yours.
Put me down!
When the station stops trying to crush you.
Cocky for a man with a tail.
Still better at carrying you than your kind.
You hid under a sink when the house got too loud. Age 9.
I never told anyone that.
You didn't have to.
His temperature's climbing too fast.
It's not infection, it's feedback.
Make it stop. Stop! Stop! Stop!
Royal blood extraction, trial 47. He's sinking old trauma.
He's mirroring Noah now.
Valor.
Stay with me.
They carved him open. Where is he?
Emergency hold.
You're still unstable.
So was he. For 100 years. This is the night they said he went feral. But that's not what happened.
It starts 3 hours earlier than the official report. They escalated the procedure.
They tortured him harder. That wasn't random.
His blood triggered an environmental response.
Because they were ripping power out of a king.
The station attacked first.
And now what? You rewrite history and call him innocent? I didn't say innocent. I said hunted. You weren't here when people died. No. But he was on a table when yours started it.
Keep digging. See where it gets you.
What is that?
He wasn't collateral. They killed my father after this. Dad. This is Dr. Elias Vale. If this file is accessed, Deep Blue has already moved against internal containment.
No wonder they buried this.
Do not recover the researcher. Recover the archive.
She ordered it.
If I fail, they'll call it an accident. It won't be.
I know.
I helped build part of this program. That is my sin. But I will not let them turn my son into a breeding key.
Breeding? Key?
If you're hearing this, they found you anyway.
Why me?
Remember why I made you scentless.
No.
Noah, if you've reached this layer, there is no safe version of the truth left.
What sequence?
Tidal Omega sequence.
You were modified before birth?
Your mother was never told. The board approved covert implantation through prenatal supplements.
Those bastards.
When I found out, you were already carrying the resonance pattern.
So you labeled me broken.
I erased your scent profile, rebuilt your registry, made you look like a failed Omega.
You made my whole life a lie.
Yes, but it kept you off the pairing lists.
Pairing lists?
You were never random, Noah. You were designed to fit a king.
And you still think I should trust any of this?
No. I think you should use it before they do. Listen carefully. Do not complete the final bond. Because you are the key to the trench throne.
Your frequency opened it.
Oh my God.
They archived children.
Not archived. Imprisoned.
They kept Fry beneath dead steel.
These records were erased from the active system.
If we run now, they die here.
You would free them.
Yes.
You were made by their cruelty.
Then let me ruin their plans with it.
No time for one by one. The old grid's failing.
Noah. Again.
Varesh. What did it say?
Queen.
Please be enough.
This isn't one scandal. It's a civilization of crimes.
So Salima was never acting alone.
You keep proof of suffering like treasure.
Then we use their treasure to bury them.
The box was tagged.
Move.
Drop it, Noah.
Or what? You'll sedate me again?
You have no idea what that box triggers.
I know exactly enough.
You think he'll save you when the station caves in?
Why are you still defending the people who'd throw you in a tank too?
Because I know how the world works.
Left hatch.
Then I'm done surviving inside the way it works.
Recover the box. Secure the container. Terminate the king, if needed.
Put the box down and walk to me. That line ever worked on anyone with a brain? You're scared. I get it. No. I was scared when I still thought you were safe.
He doesn't want you. He reacts to a pattern.
And you want me?
More than he ever could.
No. You want to own the part of me that stopped choosing you.
You're not special. You're a container. A body built to hold a monster's claim.
Say it louder.
You're the Omega vessel they bred for him!
He fully shifted.
He is not a container. He is my queen.
What did you just call me?
Noah, do not complete the final bond. If Thaler returns to the trench with you fully bond, the Throne Gate may answer.
Throne Gate?
The old Sea Kings ruled by paired resonation, not blood alone.
So I'm really a key?
Yes.
You knew?
Not all. Enough.
Enough to tell me?
I knew your tide felt old. Sacred. Dangerous.
Cute. Everyone's been studying me, no one's been asking me.
If the gate opens, land pays first. Coastlines, pressure zones, storm corridors.
That's not personal risk. That's mass casualty.
So what were you trying to save? Me or the world? Pick one.
I tried to save both. I may have doomed both instead. If he truly cares for you, he must let you choose before the bond completes itself.
Can you stop it?
I can stop myself.
Surface breach. Multiple vessels. It's her.
Status.
King Mobile. Container unstable. Black box compromised.
Unstable is not a useful word. This exceeds the filed incident profile. That's why you were brought down now.
What are they doing to him?
Royal pressure sonic lock. Noah!
Get off me!
Enough improvisation.
You are not putting me in that.
You are now a live key under recovery priority.
Say person. I dare you.
Sedate and contain.
Thaler!
Max wave.
Don't touch him!
Is this approved handling?
He actually took it.
Monitor the response.
If he only responds to dominance, I can give you dominance.
You injected yourself to become more pathetic. Bold strategy.
Noah, look at me.
I am. Wish I weren't.
Before him, you answered to me.
No. Before him,
I mistook fear for attachment.
It's not working. His stress is spiking, not yielding.
Then escalate contact. If one asset can replace another, I prefer the one with fewer scales.
I can still make this easier. Just let me in.
I would rather drown again.
You always did better when someone stronger chose for you.
That's not strength. That's cowardice with muscles.
He's inside the system.
My dad didn't just leave me a warning.
Cut external display access.
It's not external. It's buried under audit architecture.
Audit architecture?
Yeah. The part your board hoped nobody would ever need. What did you upload? Truth.
You told us Deep Blue was dormant biocontainment. It was. Until operational necessity evolved.
No! Say it right! You tortured a sentient species for profit!
Keep it going.
Seize the control core.
Too late.
That order was lethal. It was a containment breach.
No. It was a murder with corporate vocabulary.
You all knew enough to ask questions.
No. You took a paycheck to watch me.
I was told it kept you alive.
And you believed the people who built cages?
Was surveillance disclosed to consent review? Stand down from commentary. Maintain perimeter.
She still thinks she's chairing the room?
We were told they weren't fully sentient.
No sentient being needs your half-word mercy.
Enough. Immediate termination. All compromised witnesses.
See? That's the part where monsters stop pretending.
Get off me!
If I overwrite the mark, you're mine again.
I was never yours.
Do not touch him.
What the hell?
The mark rejected him.
No, stabilize me.
You mean your fake king scent broke?
Noah, help me.
When I begged, you called it procedure.
Detain him. Now!
I did this for us.
No. You did it because losing control hurt more than losing me.
She's going for the kill switch!
Then no one leaves.
You'll fry the lock!
That's the point.
Stop him!
He's summoning them.
His king stain.
Go get your name back.
You are still in human territory.
You built a cage in my sea and called it territory.
He is a key. Take him below and you trigger war.
He released part of it.
You did that on purpose?
I will not keep you with pain.
Noah, if you leave now, you make it to the ascent pod. Station collapse is irreversible.
If you go, you live.
And you?
I finish what they built.
Alone.
I have been alone for a long time.
Noah.
You do not owe me this.
I know. That's why it counts. Show me what to break.
Data vault overload can redirect the blast.
Then we don't save the station. We save what never should have been buried in it. Let it fall.
You did it!
No. We survived it.
You'll answer to a sealed tribunal. You think destroying one archive ends Deep Blue?
No. But now it bleeds. Still not dragging me anywhere?
Not unless you ask.
That's not debris.
We're surrounded.
Kadrin.
Brother. So the stories were true. You escaped the human tank and brought the throne key back to sea.
I'm not an object to trade.
Spoken like someone who doesn't yet know what he can open. Give me the Omega, brother, or the sea starts choosing sides tonight.
Then let it choose. That means war.